Hey there and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to use Gmail labels and how to create them, customize them and organize them on your inbox like a pro. So let's get started. First, let me explain you what are Gmail labels. So labels are Gmail's version of folders, but even more powerful. You can apply multiple labels to a single email, color code them, and even nest them for better organization. So on screen, you can see Gmail sidebar plus icon like you can see this option plus icon from here for create new label. Okay, now tap onto it and then give your label and now for example I'm gonna enter the name to zigzag. Okay, let's enter this. Now let's tap onto create. Here you can see this option create. Let's tap onto it. So as you can see, zigzag is now created. Now to help you quickly identify label, you can assign colors. Click the three dot. As you can see, click the three dot option to your label name, and from there you have to go to label color at the top, and from there you can change the color if you wish to, like this. Okay. Next, let's create a sub label. I will make another label called work, and this time I will nest it under manager. Okay, so let's another email, write work, then let's tap on to create. To do this, now you have to click on create new label as I told you. Now to apply label to an email, simply select the email. Like, let me show once again. You can tap onto this and here you can choose this. Okay, like enter your name, then you have to tap on to check this icon next label under, then choose this, and from there you have to choose like under which one you want to keep your email. You can also select multiple emails and apply labels in bulk, which is great for clearing up large inboxes. So let's say I want to edit under work again, and I would like to do it. Okay, same tomorrow. Now let's tap on to create. So as you can see, my work has been added to it. So do you want more control? Then you have to go to settings like this and tap onto see all settings. Okay, on this option. Now you have to go to labels. You can see the second option, labels. Tap onto it. Here we can choose to show or hide labels, remove old one, or edit them from here easily. For example, let's tap onto hide. As you can see, this had been hide, and if you have to show it like this. So if I tap onto hide, then you can see start is hide from here. If you want to show it, then tap onto it. As you can see, start is now here. So this is how you can use all of them if you wish to. And if you want to go even further, then tools like Sanebox, let me search it up, Sanebox, or tools like Clean Email can automate some of your labeling, especially for spam and Cutler. You can even use labels to clean out social or promotional tabs. Just apply a label like clutter to those emails and then mask, delete or archive later if you wish to. So on screen you have to tap on to click inbox, like let me show you. Can do it like if you want to delete all the messages from here, go to inbox, then you can tap control or you can see this option, select this, like it will select all the emails there, and from there you can move it to your preferred labels easily, like you can move it to zigzag work if you wish to. So let me show you how you can do it. So as you can see, I just choose some. As you can see, 39 emails has been sent to my this labels, and that has been removed from inbox. So if you want to go back, then choose all of them and then move it to inbox if you wish to. And as you can see, it is now moving to inbox. Let me do it again. Oh, okay, these have been moved to inbox. Now let's delete them from here. Just tap onto them and then select delete, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Also, you can go to refresh this page, you can go to three dot icon and tap on to mark all this as read or not, and from this option here at the right corner you can filter out your emails if you wish to. For example, you want to filter out email like date within all emails and size like greater than or less than MB or KB bytes, etc. So this is how you can do it, and then you can search it up. So let me show you from the last 1 year, then you can search it up, and there you go. All the emails from here is now visible, like from the last year. So this is how you can check it out. You can also tap onto mode and check out all this here options like social emails, updates emails, spam folders. You can also manage labels from here. As I told you, you can also manage labels from here, also from the steps I showed you earlier. And let's say you want to write a new email, you can just tap onto compose, and by creating onto compose you have to enter the address of the email you want to send to. You can add subject, and then you can add your description from here. Then you have to just send it. If you want to add images to your email, here you can see this small image icon, tap onto it, and from there you can add images to your email. Also you can add emojis from here. You can upload using your Google Drive. You can use link to it, like if you want to add link to your text like embed with text, then just select the text and then tap onto this icon. Now you have to paste your link easy. So I hope this video was helpful and you earned a lot of knowledge. So that was it for today, and if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Do not forget to comment down below that what type of videos you want to see in the next videos. Till then, take care and goodbye, and as always, happy exploring. Check out the links in the description box. Do not forget to check them out. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you, tada.